Welcome to the video. Today we're diving into a common problem that you might encounter when working with Python code. The problem we're tackling involves updating a list of tuples based on certain conditions. Specifically, we want to replace a tuple in the list with a new tuple if one of the values in the new tuple is greater than the corresponding value of the tuple that is currently in the list. It's a bit of a tricky situation, but with the right approach, we can solve it efficiently. Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. In the provided code snippet, we have a function called add_course that handles the task at hand. The function first checks if the name is present in the student's database and raises an error if it's not. Then it verifies if the grade for the course is 0 and returns if so. Next, it iterates over the list of tuples to find a course name. If the course is found, it compares the grades and updates the tuple if needed. If the course is not found, it appends the new tuple to the list. This method ensures that we maintain the integrity of the data and make necessary updates as required. It's a clean and effective way to address the problem at hand. In summary, by implementing the add_course function as described, we can efficiently manage the list of tuples and update them based on the specified conditions. This approach allows us to keep track of student courses and grades accurately, ensuring that the data remains consistent and up to date. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you can apply this solution to similar challenges in your own Python projects. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time.